Did you know that there is a natural and scientifically proven way to boost your energy, restore your vitality, and slow down the signs of aging? If you constantly feel tired, notice signs of aging, or simply want to optimize your health, pay close attention. Today, I'm introducing you to AgeShield, one of the best natural NAD boosters on the market. Stay until the end because this information could change your quality of life. AgeShield is a supplement formulated with powerful ingredients designed to stimulate your NAD+ levels. But why is this so important? Studies conducted by Harvard scientists have shown that NAD is essential for cellular energy production, DNA repair, and metabolic health maintenance. Over the years, our NAD+ levels decline, which can lead to fatigue, cognitive decline, and health issues. Inside each AgeShield capsule, you'll find a strategic combination of essential vitamins and a powerful proprietary blend of natural extracts. It includes essential vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, biotin, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients help convert food into energy, improve brain function, strengthen immunity, and promote overall well-being. It also contains a proprietary blend with ingredients like rhodiola, ashwagandha, bacopa, and St. John's wort, known for reducing stress, enhancing mental clarity, and improving mood. Other components like chamomile, valerian, and lemon balm promote relaxation and more restorative sleep. Inspired by the longevity of the Japanese, AgeShield combines cutting-edge science with natural ingredients to maximize your energy, restore your youth, and promote healthy aging. But remember, AgeShield alone is not a miracle worker. It is always recommended that you maintain a healthy routine with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and guidance from health professionals. Now that you know how AgeShield can transform your health, I have an important warning. Only purchase through the official link in the video description. This ensures that you receive the authentic product and avoid scams. Click the link below now and start your journey toward a longer, more energized, and healthier life. Don't forget to leave a like. See you next time.